I save time and money by mixing real and artificial plants together. These are living. These are artificial. This is a combination of living with artificial integrated, and all these are artificial and these are artificial. Literally just shove them in the ground. They look great. They're withstanding the harsh winds. They come pre-packaged, UV resistant, bundles of 12 for indoors and out. You can literally just meld the wire and form it however you like. I like it not balanced organic. They blow in the breeze. Love the texture and design of these up close, and they do move quite well for me. They have this solid base that's plastic. You can just shove it in the ground in the mulch and it'll stay. If you want to floof it after that, great, and you're good to go. I've had some about 6 months and they're not fading in the sun for me. They can get wet, withstand rain, wind, cold. They don't come in pots. You do need to provide your own environment for them, but they're pretty realistic at a distance. Great for transition weather between hot and cold seasons. No watering, no trimming, no replacing needed. For me, they're a vibrant pop of color that doesn't fade, wilt, or die quickly.